Hi all, how are you? I hope you're having an amazing day. Welcome back to another video with me. It's time to unbox another base BOXYCHARM box. Well, I don't know if you have noticed, BOXYCHARM has reduced the size of their base box, and I really like it because it's very environmental friendly, and I always like small packages. So let's see the 5 amazing products we have for September. Let's dive in. So this one theme is BOXYCHARM BTS behind the scenes, and it's so cute, makeup vibes. And this is the card, and it tells the retail price of the products that are included in the $25 base box. And the first item is Elena Petro Blue Eye Set, and it retails for $58. The thing I love about BOXYCHARM is you get to try different new brands. I never heard of Elena Petro brand. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, and I've never heard of it. So now BOXYCHARM introduced me to the brand, and if I like her brushes, I will repurchase it. But again, this is the charm of BOXYCHARM, that you don't know what you're gonna get, and what you get wows you. So these are the brushes. Aren't they so cute? They are blue. This one is an angular brush, and it is going to be very useful if you're going to do your brows, a little bit of smoke with your eyeliner. This brush is so gorgeous. Bristles are so soft, and this is, again, the bristles are so soft, and it fits perfectly my crease area. A contour brush. That's a contour brush, and then you can just go and hug your cheekbones, jawline. It is good for your forehead, and this is the contour brush. And the set is metallic, and it's so pretty. I love this blue shade. Product number 2 is Dr. Brand Triple Antioxidant Eye Cream. I am wearing nothing on my face, and I am going to demonstrate. This eye cream is so good. It just plumps the under eye area, brightens it instantly. As you can see, I would just apply it before my makeup, before I go to bed. It retails for $46. Product number 3 is Saint Luxe Brow Gel. It locks my hair in place. I will demonstrate right now in front of you. This gel has no scent, and it's clear, and I just always put it before I do my eyebrows. Puts everything in place, and it retails for $22. The Blink Glow Better Face Palette retails for $50. I'm using Ambitious to contour my face, and it smells like vanilla. And look at the pigment. I mean, I underestimate the power of pigment, but you don't, and use a beauty blender to blend it. And now I am going to use Blush Talented to blush my cheeks, and definitely dust off that extra powder because it's so pigmented. Look at the pigmentation. Just a little goes a long way with this palette because it's so pigmented. I'm gonna be choosing Shade Empowered to highlight, and this is the test. Oh my god, I mean, look at the highlight. I haven't seen such pigmented highlighter. I mean, I'm blown away. And this is the whole face highlighter, bronzer. I'm wearing it on my face, my eyes, and it is the most pigmented palette I've used in a long time. So be careful. You just saw. Be careful. Take a small amount and dust it off. So be very, very careful with the palette. But it smells like, I don't know, vanilla. So I like it. Some people don't like it scented. I actually like it scented. I like a little bit of scent in my products if they are cruelty free. It is all paraben free, sulfate free. So I don't mind a little bit of scent in mine.
The fifth product is the Quick Slick Hair. It retails for $22, and if you have a lot of flyaways, this is your best buddy. It is a hair serum. It's not a gel, it's not a hair fiber, it's just a nutritional hair serum, and you just brush your hair and style them as you want, comb it back, style it as you like. I like to comb it and style it in this way.
So this sums up my video for BOXYCHARM. This is the look I created using the face palette. Even I did my eye look using the face palette. I just took a little bit of black from Jaclyn Hill. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. The handle is down below. Please give me a thumbs up and comments so I know that you like my videos and you want them coming, so I will make it for you. Please do suggest or request any ideas you have or requests you have for me to create for you, and that would really help me out in understanding what you want, and I would really appreciate your feedback. Until next time with another video, I will be at your service. Take care. Goodbye. Mwah. Bye.